Toyota is preparing to launch something that no other automaker has dared to do in years. A brand new pickup truck with a starting price of just $12,000 that prioritizes simplicity and work capability over luxury and complexity is coming to North America. If you've been priced out of the truck market or you're tired of being forced to buy overpriced pickups packed with features you don't need, the Hilux Champ is coming to solve exactly that problem. While most manufacturers are pushing trucks past $30,000, Toyota is going back to basics with a bare-bones hauler that's actually affordable and built to last. We're going to start with the good stuff, with all those features that make the Hilux Champ stand out from everything else on the market. Number 5. Simplicity and rugged reliability. There's nothing worse than having your business grind to a halt because some electronic module failed and needs 3 days to get diagnosed. Modern pickups are turning into rolling computers, and every touchscreen and sensor is another potential failure point waiting to strand you. That's why Toyota is taking a completely different approach with the Hilux Champ. This truck embraces an old-school philosophy where mechanical simplicity translates directly into dependability. When you're running a business and your crew is waiting at the job site, you can't afford a truck that needs dealer visits for software updates. The Hilux Champ is being designed with straightforward mechanicals and proven powertrains that favor getting the job done. But reliability means nothing if the truck can't be configured for your specific work needs, which is where the next feature becomes crucial. Number 4. Endless configuration options. One of the biggest frustrations for small business owners is trying to make a one-size-fits-all truck work for specialized needs. You end up with wasted bed space and constant compromises because the truck wasn't designed for your operation. That's where the Hilux Champ separates itself from typical consumer pickups. This isn't just a truck with a few trim levels. Toyota is positioning it as a genuine commercial platform with configuration possibilities most buyers have never seen. Need a flatbed for building materials? The chassis is ready for it. Running a delivery service? Configure it exactly how your route demands. Operating a mobile repair business? Set it up with the compartments your tools require. This level of flexibility used to be reserved for expensive commercial-grade chassis cabs, but Toyota is bringing it to a price point small operators can actually afford. Instead of making one generic truck work for your business, you're going to be able to build a truck around your business. But all that versatility doesn't mean much if you're burning through profits at the fuel pump, which brings us to what might be the Hilux Champ's smartest feature. Number 3. Efficient powertrain. There's a painful choice every small truck buyer has had to make for decades. You either got adequate power with fuel bills that ate into profit margins, or decent mileage with an engine that felt overwhelmed merging onto highways. For delivery drivers making dozens of stops per day, watching the fuel gauge drop while sacrificing half your earnings creates constant financial stress. But Toyota is solving this problem with proven hybrid technology. The North American Hilux Champ is going to be available with a hybrid setup that delivers low-end torque while returning fuel economy numbers that diesel trucks use to claim exclusively. The electric motor provides instant response, but more importantly, it helps with start-stop driving, exactly where conventional trucks burn fuel the fastest. While gas-only trucks are idling and burning fuel, the Hilux Champ's hybrid system shuts down the engine and runs purely on battery power. For fleet operators watching fuel budgets, this is going to save real money every single day. Of course, fuel efficiency is useless if the truck can't handle your workload, so let's talk about what really matters: how much this thing can carry and tow. Number 2. Payload and towing capacity. Nothing kills productivity faster than making multiple trips because your truck can't handle the load. Whether you're a contractor who needs to bring all materials in one shot or a weekend warrior hauling camping gear, inadequate payload capacity turns simple jobs into multi-day ordeals. That's why the Hilux Champ is bringing work credentials that punch well above its weight class. Payload capacity is 2,200 pounds. These are numbers that rival many mid-size pickups despite being significantly smaller and lighter. Towing capacity follows the same philosophy with a max capacity of 5,500 pounds. In other words, you're getting near mid-size capability in a package that's easier to park, more maneuverable, and significantly more fuel efficient. So we've covered capability, efficiency, and versatility, but none of that matters if you can't actually afford the truck, which is where Toyota is about to change everything. Number 1. Price. Base Hilux Champ models are about to start around $12,000. Yes, a brand new Toyota pickup for less than most used mid-size trucks. Even better equipped versions with the hybrid powertrain aren't going to push dramatically higher in price. Think about what this means for someone trying to start a business. Instead of taking on $40,000 in debt or buying a 10-year-old used pickup that might leave you stranded, you can get a brand new warranted vehicle from a manufacturer known for dependability. The Hilux Champ isn't trying to be a luxury truck. Instead, it's an affordable, capable, reliable work vehicle that doesn't require choosing between truck ownership and financial stability. The Hilux Champ brings a lot to the table, but it's not perfect, and that affordable price tag comes with serious compromises. Number 3. Basic interior. Here's where the low price tag shows. The cabin is going to be functional, practical, and absolutely nothing more. Expect hard plastics throughout, basic cloth seats, and sound insulation that barely exists. Features many buyers consider essential, heated seats, power-adjustable driver's seat, premium audio systems, simply aren't going to be part of the experience. But here's the thing. This bare-bones approach is exactly what keeps the price at $12,000 instead of $30,000. If you need leather upholstery and ambient lighting, the Hilux Champ probably isn't your truck. But if you need a vehicle that hauls materials and survives job site abuse, the basic interior suddenly makes sense. And speaking of compromises, the interior quality isn't the only area where you're going to feel the budget-friendly design philosophy. Wait until you experience how this truck actually rides. Number 2. Ride quality. There's something uniquely miserable about driving a truck that beats you up on every commute. The constant jarring over expansion joints, the way it crashes into potholes, it's the kind of ride quality that makes you dread getting behind the wheel. Modern pickups have gotten remarkably comfortable, but the Hilux Champ isn't following that path. This truck uses a basic suspension setup prioritized entirely for load carrying rather than comfort. When you're driving unloaded on rough roads, you're going to feel every bump transmitted directly through the chassis. The ride is harsh and highway cruising won't be serene. Expect wind noise, tire noise, and a sense of being in a utilitarian vehicle. Toyota engineered the suspension to handle maximum payload without sagging when hauling a full load, but when the bed is empty, you're riding on suspension that's way too stiff. For buyers who primarily drive loaded, this trade-off makes perfect sense. But if you're planning to use the Hilux Champ as a daily commuter with only occasional hauling, the ride quality is going to wear on you quickly. But as uncomfortable as the ride might be, there's one compromise that's even more concerning, and it could genuinely affect your safety. Number 1. Safety features. Here's a sobering thought. When an accident happens in a split second, the difference between walking away and serious injury often comes down to whether your truck had the technology to prevent the crash. Modern vehicles come loaded with active safety systems that can brake for you when distracted or warn you about vehicles in your blind spot. For families especially, these features aren't luxuries. But achieving that $12,000 starting price required Toyota to make difficult choices, and advanced safety equipment is where the cuts are most visible. The Hilux Champ is going to offer basic safety features required by regulations, seatbelts, airbags, and structural protections. But don't expect the comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies found on more expensive trucks. Features like blind spot monitoring or adaptive cruise control are about to be optional or unavailable entirely. For fleet buyers focused purely on economics, this might be an acceptable trade-off, but for families considering the Hilux Champ as a primary vehicle, the lack of modern safety technology is going to be a serious consideration. Potential buyers need to honestly assess their priorities. If cutting-edge safety tech is non-negotiable, you'll need to look at more expensive options. But if you can live with more basic safety equipment in exchange for the lowest possible price, the Hilux Champ delivers exactly what it promises. The Toyota Hilux Champ represents a radical departure from where the truck market has been heading. If you're looking for a refined daily driver with modern comforts, this bare-bones hauler is going to disappoint you. But if you need an affordable work truck that prioritizes capability over comfort, the Hilux Champ is about to become one of the most important vehicles in the segment. The compromises are real. Harsh ride, Spartan interior, and missing safety features won't suit everyone. But you're getting a brand new Toyota with legitimate payload capacity, mechanical simplicity that promises decades of reliable service, and value the market hasn't seen in years. For those who prefer unibody design, the Maverick will remain the #1 choice, especially with the updates for 2026. If you want to find out more about the changes, especially on the hybrid model, make sure to check out our next video. All-wheel drive is finally available, while the max towing capacity finally matches the Turbo 4 version.